Yo guys, what's up? The Investing Money Man here. How's it going? So today we want to look at the miracle of compound interest. Now there's many people have said invest a little bit each month and the miracle of compounding will work for you. So I just want to show you a little bit on how this works. So let's see for an example. Let's go with an example first. Say I want to invest in an IRA, like a Roth IRA, but I can't really afford much, so I put in $100 a month. Now, the average of the return on the stock market over the last 30, 40 years is about 8-10% per year, which is pretty good. It's not bad. Some years are better, some years are worse, and you have events like what happened in March last year. It goes down a lot, then it came right back. So, say you have 30 years left to retire. You're investing $100 a month. This is just a simple investment calculator from Google. There's a bunch on there. So if you invest $100 a month for the next 30 years, you will have an amount of $227,000. That's pretty good. So your money is going to double 6.33 times in 30 years. Outstanding. Now, if you're going to invest a little more, say you're investing in the 401k with your company, right? Say you've only got 20 years left to work. Okay, about 10% return. It's pretty good. You have about $765,000 in your retirement account when you retire in 20 years. Now, this is some of the examples of how compound interest is so powerful. Because your initial investment, you can see, is only $240,000, but the money you'll be able to take out at the end is $765,000. So that's just outstanding. That's really good returns. So I want to encourage everybody here to at least start investing $100 a month. That's it. That's easy. Anybody can do that, right? And in 30 years, this is how much you'll have. Your investment will be $36,000. Your maturity amount is $227,000. That's pretty good. It's not bad. It won't fund your entire retirement, but it's a good start. Everybody's got to start somewhere, so I highly recommend that everybody invest in at least $100 a month. All right, we can easily find that in the budget somewhere. Assuming most people have $100 a month extra, just cut out some breakfast in the morning, going out to eat. Maybe forget the Starbucks coffee. You can do that. Now, if you're just starting out, you might have 40 years to retire. Say you're 25 years old, right? 10%, $637 at retirement. That's pretty good. An investment of $48,000. So absolute return, 1,200%. That's crazy. So yeah, many people have said, oh, if you just invest a little bit each month, over a long period of time, you'll get a good return, and that appears to be true. So I would like to encourage everybody out there, maybe just like an index fund, or maybe watch some other videos. I'll be looking into dividend investing, growth investing, some cryptocurrency. Maybe you want to put $100 in each one of those each month, so you're a little bit diversified. That might be a good idea too. So anyway, we'll talk about this a little more. I just wanted to get people on board with the whole idea, saving, getting rich slowly over time. That's the best way to do it. Now, depending on how much disposable income you have for investing, if you do $500 a month, you can have $3 million when you retire. That's a lot of money, especially when I was super young. I couldn't do that. But if I did, I wish I had, because I'd be a lot closer to retiring right now. So anyway, guys, you guys have any questions or want to see some more videos, let me know what you want to see. Please like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.